All right, today we're going to install some elegant Fauxwood blinds. These are a little bit thicker than the little cheaper ones I have on there. So we're going to learn how to put them together. They come with these you put on each side. This is the orientation. I'm hanging it up top. So I'm going to have it slip it in. It's going to go like that, and then that's going to help lock it in place. So I'm going to put these on there, and then use your pen or your pencil, and then when I hang it up there, I'm going to mark the sides. I'm going to put this on the other end. All right, these are going to be thicker than the little cheap blinds. So I'm going to make sure it's flush with my trim here and not over here, you know what I'm saying? I mean, just in case, because it might be hitting this window down here. All right, it comes with this extra mount I can put right here for extra support. I don't think I need all of it. We're gonna see if this bad boy fits. Let's see if I made it too snug. All right, that looks about perfect. All right, okay, make sure that locks. Take that off. Let's put this bad boy on here. All right. A lot thicker, more blackout. If this helped y'all out, please like and subscribe.